Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hi, Xposed GH Patch FM members. Subscribe me to now Osaka. I'm saying you may be I to say about NPP now. I mean, it's almost restructured. That's what I'll say. Now, a man of God, what can't say my candidate when you come share? I say NPP. Some person of family to my Fabian man, you come back and say, Momanidi or Comedy. Canada, Agyapong. Young comrade, I'm a come by Yasu, match the moon, young comrade.
There is a certain man they need to bring on board. They need to apologize and bring on board. If only they want to rise up. There is a man who has many businesses. There is a man who fought for the party and then they sidelined him. There is a man who was the second when they were fighting for their primaries. First name is K. If that man can lead their party, they will recover all. They should go to Kumasi and change the chairman, or else their party will never survive. And also change their prophet, change their man of God, because in the realms of the spirit, I saw their prophet has deceived them, and which we all know. But it's not just physical. In the realms of the spirit, there is a deception. Money has twisted the directions and the things he received from God and what he was supposed to tell them. So the NPP need to change their chairman, need to change the certain chairmen and certain secretaries and all those people. And I saw the man, I mentioned the name, even though I didn't mention the full name, but I saw K. We all know the man already, K. I saw if that man will be given the mandate to carry the party, and they change their prophet and gather men of God and honor them and respect them to speak on their matter. In the realms of the spirit, they will gather voices and they will return back in the name of Jesus.
I when you come that be way of facts. NPP is in tatters as we are speaking now. The moral, you can't say moral. Just say, if you can walk grassroots, a ginger aside. NPP almost say party name disikayantam access ebibia ekọ and me so my pani kasam say my pani kasa bebrebe nyina ye si ye ni. Listen, every prayer NPP so say where they are. Say omo nya be radical, they can stay in this state for 16 years. When your prophecy, forget about asophonomical prophecy. They don't know any prophecy. This is a fact. Because Oshe Lucy knows about 1.7 million votes. That's a huge gap. Now, how do you crawl back that gap and what? Overtake? It's a huge question. Every time you hear Obia Sabe, or yet what? Young for the beer for Obia Ghana for GDB, edgy and EDD. 2016, yet to my Kufuadono. Now you didn't say this is the man to take Ghana to the next level, but then he was the man to take us to doom. 80 fast forward 2024. Hey, mommy can be in trouble. Yeah, Rajon Mahama, and you try your luck. Ghana 4 per se, they are not too enthused. Say John Mahama is coming back, but almost circumstances now. Say you're about me back after a good father, they'll give it to John Mahama. Because the arrogance of the NPP people, the pride, the despondency, so Sika any Yama Kosuna, Ghanaians have no choice but to give it to what? John Mahama. But a good Pensubia. And so we know before oh, this is a because check this. 4 years after John Mahama, NDC has to present what? A new face. Now that is an opportunity window for NPP. So over the year Canada Japan, but they win the thing hands down, I'm telling you. But over your mistake, no Kokaso, at the end of the premiersa, it's yourself about Yankodia, and you lose what you are by 3 million votes. Because you know what? There is a mentality growing among even the faithful of the NPP said, Utu Abama Baumia, what's our trauma Kufuad BM? And Kufuad Wamamono has become the worst in the history of Ghana, whether you like it or not. Your family and friends. This was the first time I hear the real family and friends. Because Oko Financer can Oforiata Wachenti Atata so Wayinia Memfa Oko way I say. That's what was happening. But another woman or your video say the business community is waiting for Ken of Yera Canada Japan. You go to Mraba Mecheshim.
And to me, when it's a Ken, a business man, what did ya? Wo a jar and wound dia, wo ba a beboy ye a jano. A baby, and I school for me, say, doctors for me, say, teacher for me, say, police, me, say. Mimi when they say, King, dreading need to some ya into a bar when him said he is breath. And winter a man who said, some people before Sabi, ya din sem who, Nessie, a quatene fear, a jankwa will bet me a jay, a Kennedy. Until a mammy betty crazy, a Canadian because a dready phone with the no Pierre, Kayaba to a benina, will be as a life, will be as a Canada, will be as a Canada, will be as a dready phone, dear Kennedy. And a yash one dear. I really say. And to me, dear, minimum the pebble or Canada more, or buy young businessmen for any woman for no, young so bad boy. Tinama Ken, Mimi who can anyway, but my static here, Juma, den, dear. May ya care, Juma said, when I mean to Supermusian for camera, now ready for so drew baby, I answer your own toy.
Now, in we are sir, obey a Ken Jumano. Say na a month for more bontene or musi. As if I were according to a candy man, so we I cheer or can you man for a sale.
Shabu, and then mini per 100 Nebeka say, ye the kenny ba, Montua Bamana, Obian with me and 1 second year yen penal. What be was a king, Miss Wobia was a king. What interview me pay? What am I doing? I'm pay. When some was sports, me will be about, yeah. Omuba no sana. Baby, I'm a sport no so station. North for station. It's enough for any banner mobile no sana to me say Sebi is for Mobu Yakwasi NPP for. Adentia, ye Mosi Mope, Yem Festival NPP for Festival Munimra. Ye the ceremoniaba, you Ramahama, so yes, ceremony.
You can business community. Only the basket full of Ghana. Omo turning the wheels of Ghana. Said dollar see the back omo ye. You see, when the business community is confident, the country will grow. People are so enthused about Yera Canada Japan. They say he is a businessman. Or you'll be a wayebida, or you'll be a war factory, or you'll be a way say. Forget about his flaws. Ye here or be a obetim ye preja Ghana. Every baby away, every pempen so. Maybe dear. Baby, you do ye here or beer or what the JJ spirit or be a bad marker crack because Ghana for Jimian and Bosodo says, say, I need to and near somebody. I expose your chef and baby, so I don't subscribe. Subscribe it, you're the tomb partner with Sakabi. Now, yes, we are still open for business. Wedding, whatever, live streaming, we are all for it. I'm out.
Keep watching Xposed, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.